Oh, hot. Hi. So that was a video of me and Nell doing our second burp contest during an event we worked at. And yeah, but today will be our third burp contest. This time we'll be live streaming it on Twitch. It's gonna be subscribers only. And yeah, later on I'll be taking clips and posting that on the Patreon for more to see. But until then, yeah. This live stream also will be happening today around 6 p.m. PST, so feel free to come through, subscribe, and get ready with us. Thank you so much. I'm super excited, and let the games begin. Yeah.